Hey, this is Ashley from RecPro. Now, when you're looking at your boat trailer, there are a lot of things that are different than regular trailers. For example, it goes into the water. Now, this is essential for boats, but it can be difficult to find pieces that are water resistant for this very purpose. So, when you're talking about lights, you need them to be submersible for your boat. So, that is where this kit and these lights come into play. So these lights right here are our boat trailer tail lights with submersible LEDs, the product code for which is RP-2179. Now the dimensions for them are on the screen, but there are two 12-volt LED tail lights that have a solid waterproof construction. The LED lights shine brightly for really good visibility, and the reflective red on them increases this visibility and makes it look a lot better at night and during the day. The soft foam on the back helps it from denting your trailer or kind of causing any kind of scratching to the paint as well. Now we also have this available in a kit. So this whole kit provides 7 functions when properly installed. There's stop, turn, tail, side marker, side reflector, rear reflector, and license plate. So the kit includes 2 of the 12-volt LED tail lights, 2 LED side marker lights, a license plate bracket, 25 feet of wiring harness, and mounting hardware. The LED lights last 50 times longer and are more efficient compared to bulbs like incandescent lights, so it's going to last a lot longer and it's going to be a lot more durable for you. And the high-strength plastic housing and covering provide exceptional durability, and the acrylic lens is really durable as well. It's quick and easy to install, and it comes with instructions to help you along the way. So if you want to find out more about this, you can click the link below, then like, comment, and subscribe, and remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.